Hey y'all, this is Green Tea at Hobbit Farms. Wanted to check in here with you guys and show you these adorable little cucamelons that I have growing here. Zone 9B, Central Florida. Being careful for snakes. Look at that beauty. Whew. This is my little food forest in here. We have a deer situation, so I had to have my husband build this fence. Whew. All right, these guys are so cute. I had to share them with you. Look how adorable that is. There's another one. Isn't that cute? This is my first time growing. Mexican sour gherkin. Cucamelon. Cuca-Cute. So Cuca-Cute I had to show you. Wanted to share with you how cute they are. I mean, come on. Adorable. Keep digging.